Hello, what's happening? Last week we were doing our insulation and stuff in the walls, and this week we're now starting onto the floor, so we're trying to get a subfloor in. We did the battens last night and we got this OSB as a subfloor, so I'll talk about that later, but for the minute we've just got another layer of reflectix on the floor, and we're going to get some earthwool in these gaps. We can't go for the full width as we did in the walls because it's going to be too thick, so we're going to get whatever we can in, and then we'll move on to the wood boards. We need to make the template and stuff, so we'll worry about that when we get to that part. So let's go. That is the insulation done. Triple layer. Got a layer of thermowrap, earthwool, then another layer of thermowrap. So now we're ready for our subfloor. We've got all our floor joists in here and marked out. You can't really see the marks, but they're we've marked them all out so that we know where to screw into. And we're just measuring up this board now. We've gone for 9mm OSB. We went for OSB because it was slightly cheaper and it's still structurally sound. It's the same as plyboard, if not better. They use it in all construction when you're building houses and stuff, so that's why we went for it. So we might need to make some cardboard or some templates using this cardboard or whatever around the wheel arches and stuff. But we're going to have to do it in 2 halves. So we've measured out to do the first half and then we'll see what we need to do. We're going to cut the straight lines using a handheld circular saw and then do the intricate cuts with a jigsaw. So let's just set up a time lapse and then we'll just do it all. Okay, we've got the floor fitted now and it's all looking pretty good. There's a few spots that we need to fill in, but that, like, apart from that, this is only a subfloor. We're probably going to put a laminate, really thin laminate sheets over the top of this. Should I get one? I'll go get one. So this is what we're going to go for. We have these left over from another project, so we're just going to put that over the top of the OSB. So the spots that we need to fill in, you will never see them anyway, so we might even just leave them and put this straight down. We're going to do this one of the last jobs once all the furniture and stuff's been fitted, so we don't have to do the whole floor, so it'll keep the weight down or whatever, but there's no weight in this anyway, it's really light. And What else? That's it really, we've got the floor done, then we just need to do the roof. These walls are all insulated, the roof isn't insulated fully yet. How do I say it's the next day? It's the next day.
Yeah.
But what do you say? So now it's a new day, we've just picked up some pallets. We got these off a neighbour that they were just lying about, and we asked could we have them, and they said yes. So we're gonna do the walls. We weren't really sure what we were gonna do next, but we've decided that we're gonna do the walls. We're gonna try and put the old plyboard that we took out of the van back onto the walls, and then we're gonna try and fit these pallet boards onto that. And we're not too sure exactly how that's gonna work out yet, but we're gonna just figure it out as we go. So that's what we'll do now. We'll get the old plyboard on here. Let's go. That's the first one done now. And this is where the photograph of the wall in its bare state, with where you can see all the struts and where the bits of metal are, comes in really handy, because when we're looking at the wood you have no idea, you're just like a stab in the dark. You can go where the screws are already, but the chances are you'll be trying to screw into a hole that's already, there's no, the screw won't catch on it, so it's better to start a new hole. So that is a very good tip to getting your wall on. Take a photograph of it in its bare state, and then use that as a reference point when you're fixing your wall back on. So let's get the second one on now. Whoops, I've just edited the whole video and realised that I forgot to record an ending. So let me go outside and show you the van really quickly. Just the walls and the floor all finished off, and that will end the video. Here we are. We've got the ply panels back on the walls, we've got the OSB on the floor. So all we need to do now to finish the subsurfaces, the subfloor and the underneath, we're obviously going to clad over this, and then I said about putting the laminate on the floor. So all we need to do to finish that layer off is insulate in the roof, and then put another possibly plyboard over the top of that, or like a skeleton. So that we can fix our cladding the whole way up the walls and then around the roof. Well, that's it for now, so keep it true and keep it real. Peace.